Hey everyone, I'm Rick Walker. Welcome to another episode of the SST Car Show. First up today, a gorgeous new supercar from Alfa Romeo. This is the 33 Stradale. Now, let's talk power. The 33 Stradale boasts a twin-turbo V6 engine, and Alfa Romeo claims it churns out a jaw-dropping 620 horsepower. Haha, but hold on to your seats, because there's another option, a battery electric setup with a staggering 750 horsepower. Whichever powertrain you choose, you'll be hitting 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds, at least according to the folks at Alfa Romeo.
Today, we are 100% concentrated into making this the most beautiful and innovative car of Alfa Romeo. And despite any front wind that might come, this project will just be the beginning.
It isn't just about speed, though. It's also about style. The 33 Stradale features a captivating retro-futuristic design, blending elements from the original 1960s Alfa Romeo 33 Stradale with modern styling cues, creating a visual feast for the eyes.
A drivable and functionally beautiful machine. A bridge between the past and the future, time and eternity. Easy receipt. But this is what we were looking for. Based on chassis and powertrain excellence, coupled with the utmost technology, as it was on the 1967 project. To comply with our ambition of being the first Tipo fuori serie for Alfa Romeo since 56 years, we needed 3 key elements. The first, 33, is track, but Stradale means road. A street-legal supercar offering superior level of performance, drivability, and comfort.
Only 33 of these cars will be made available worldwide, and guess what? Each and every one of them is already being snapped up by eager buyers. So what's the price tag? Hold on to your wallets, because it's estimated to be a cool $1 million.
Every 33 Stradale that comes out of the bottega will be one of a kind and will receive a certificate of authenticity by Alfa Romeo Classic.
Now, for those lucky few who've secured their spot in line, you'll have the thrilling choice between that potent twin-turbo V6 or the electrifying 750 horsepower electric powertrain. The decision is yours to make. So if you choose the electric powertrain, how far can you go? Well, it has a range estimated at 240 miles. It also has an estimated top speed of 207 miles per hour.
Each unit is developed, tested, and certified at Autodelta in Balocco, the 33 leveraging on the flexibility of our chassis, the H-frame aluminum, the carbon fiber monocoque, and of course, our double wishbone suspension system with active shock absorbers and semi-virtual steering, the typical Alfa Romeo landmark. A next generation of battery emotional vehicle made to embrace zero emission and 100% emotion with a specifically designed Alfa Romeo voice, not differently than that of our V6 engine. The second element is beauty. And beauty is a function of proportions and details, delivered by the utmost technologies and material. The headrical doors with specifically lightweight developed hinges, windows formed with a unique process, carbon aluminum roof structure, and CFD-driven surfaces that deliver an excellent CFD, coefficient of drag, with zero lift contribution. That with a specific choice of keeping no active aerodynamic to maintain the purity of the shape of the car.
As for the interior, well, The style continues there with a minimalistic approach to modern tech. Metal controls grace the center console, and there are physical switches for the front axle lift system, launch control, and drive mode selection. It's a cockpit designed to perform and thrill. Now, here's the surprise. When it comes to infotainment, the 33 Stradale takes a unique approach. It appears to offer a discrete touchscreen system that seamlessly integrates into the dashboard, disappearing when not in use for a cleaner, distraction-free look. And that's the way supercars should be. A minimalistic dashboard with very few dials, only presenting the information that is really needed so the driver can pay attention to driving the car. Well, we don't have all of the details. We expect this street vehicle, though, this street legal supercar, to come loaded with features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, in-dash navigation, and more. And there you have it, Alfa Romeo's newest piece of rolling automotive sculpture, the 33 Stradale supercar. Don't go away. When we come back, we'll show you a gorgeous new concept from Mercedes-Benz. Wrap yourself in a full high-definition cinema experience at home with tonight's special offer, the ST800 Premium Cinema Projector from Super Geeks. Connects to almost any video source, even computers, phones, and video game systems. Order tonight at a special clearance price of just $99. That's right, regular $259 on sale for just $99. Accepts 4K input. Projects onto screens, walls, anywhere in full HD. Compact design makes it perfect for backyard movie nights. Multi-layer coated lens. Long life LED bulb. Cool, quiet operation. Regular $259 on sale for just $99. Call 1-866-248-1490 to order or visit supergeekssuperstore.com. Put a little Hollywood into your home with the ST800 Premium Home Cinema Projector from Super Geeks.
Sally hates paying for cable TV, so she got the Super Geeks Super Tenna. Sally called 1-866-248-1490 and ordered online at the supergeekssuperstore.com. Now she watches dozens of high-definition TV channels for free. Sally gets all the major networks and specialty channels, even old classic shows. You can too, and save money every month. 100% legal, no more monthly fees. Her picture quality is as good as or better than cable. She even gets channels the cable companies don't offer. Compact enough to mount in your attic or on your balcony, and tough enough to mount on your roof. Plus, the Super Tenna comes with a video amplifier and wireless remote control. Call 1-866-248-1490. That's 1-866-248-1490. Get smart like Sally and order your Super Tenna at supergeekssuperstore.com.